Hello students, good morning. Student, today is 26 December 2020. Your chapter 9 internal trade was going on. In the last class, I have started services that has been provided by the retailer to consumers. In this, I have taught to you 2 points. Now, I want to continue it from the third point. That is, the third point is convenience in buying. Convenience in buying. Okay, you know about the students, the consumer wants the goods in a small quantities, and that type of the small quantities of the goods that has been purchased from the retailers only, because the wholesaler sold out the goods in a large quantities, so it is easy for the consumers to buy the goods as per their convenience. So here you can write retailers offer great convenience to the customers in buying small quantities of products according to their requirements retail shops are usually situated near to the residential areas and remain open for long hours. So as per their convenience, the consumer can purchase the goods as per their convenient time also. Okay. रिटेल शॉप्स क्या होती हैं, कई टाइम तक ओपन रहती हैं, जो भी आपके नियरेस्ट एरियाज में होती है, रेसिडेंशियल एरियाज में होती हैं. सो एट दैट टाइम द कंज्यूमर कैन परचेज इट एज पर देयर convenience. Okay, now the fourth point is wide selection. As you know students, a retailer has different types of the goods in a single place. It means there is a large variety of the goods, there is a different variety of the goods in the retailer. So at that time the consumer can easily select the different types of the goods as per their preferences, as per their choice. Okay, so a retailer keeps stock of large variety of goods of different manufacturers for the satisfaction of the customers. So it enables the consumers to make choice out of wide selection of goods, because there are the different types of the goods available in that specific retailer. So as per their choice the customer can purchase it. So there is the selection area is so wide. Okay, next, fifth point, after sale services. As you know students, the retailer has provided the services to customer also. retailer can easily provide the services to customer. Also relates from the after sale services as like home delivery. Okay, आपने कोई गुड्स परचेज किया and you are unable to take that goods to your home, or you have given the order through the help of the online order. Okay, so at that time home delivery facilities has been also provided by the retailer also. Okay, या आपने माना लार्ज क्वांटिटीज में अपने आसपास के किसी रिटेल शॉप से आपने कोई कमोडिटी या कोई गुड्स परचेज किया है, सो यू कैन इजिली टोल्ड टू दैट रिटेलर डिलीवर दैट गुड्स to our house. If the retailer has any person for the delivery process, so that person has, that retailer has also delivered that type of the goods to your home. Okay, second thing, if there is any type of the requirement relates on the durable items, in case of the durable items, if there is any type of the repairs has been required. Okay, so on the basis of that type of the thing, the retailer has also provided such type of the services to the consumers. Okay, so here you can write about it. Retailers provide important after sales services in the form of home delivery, or repairs of goods in case of durable items. Okay, effective services. On the basis of the effective services, the consumer can purchase that about those goods again and again. So effective services bring repeat purchase of the products. So that type of thing also provided for the benefits of the wholesaler and manufacturer also. ये अगर माना repeat purchase होता है, the commodity has been purchased by the कंज्यूमर्स अगेन एंड अगेन, सो ये फैसिलिटीज क्या है, इसका बेनिफिट किसको मिलता है, कंज्यूमर को तो मिलता ही है, बट ऑल द चैनल रिलेट्स फ्रॉम द रिटेल, होलसेलर्स, देन प्रोड्यूसर्स, all of the distributors has get the benefits of such that type of the things. So after sale services is also the main important service that has been provided by the retailer to consumers. Okay, next point, that is the sixth point, provide credit facilities. You know about it. आप अगर अपने घर के आसपास कोई रिटेलर है, सो आप उससे अगर कोई गुड्स परचेज करते होंगे, सो आपने देखा होगा, ये आपने खुद भी परचेज किया होगा, दैट टाइप ऑफ द रिटेलर हैज ऑल्सो प्रोवाइडेड द गुड्स ऑन क्रेडिट बेसिस ऑल्सो. Okay, so that service has been also provided by the retailer to consumer, so it is convenient for the retailer to purchase any type of the items. Okay, so here you can write sometimes retailers also sell goods to their regular and reputed customers. It means reputed and regular. Why? Because that retailer know about that customer will pay that amount to me after some days, after some time. Okay, reputed customers on credit basis. यानी क्या, क्रेडिट हम रिटेलर उन्हीं को देगा जो उनके अक्सर आते रहते होंगे, रेगुलर कस्टमर होंगे, या जो रेप्यूटेड होंगे, जिनकी क्रेडिट लिमिट ये पता होगी, दैट पर्सन हैज ऑल्सो प्रोवाइडेड द अमाउंट आफ्टर सम डेज. सो इट enables the customers to increase their consumption level and standard of living. So these are the benefits that has been provided by the consumers to that has been provided by the retailers to consumer. So if you have any doubt, then students, you can also ask the query regarding this. Okay, now I want to continue from next point, next topic, that is relates on the terms of trade. It means how can the trade is possible, यानी ऐसे कौन कौन सी चीज़ें रिक्वायर्ड होती हैं, थिंग्स रिक्वायर्ड होती हैं, प्रोसेस रिक्वायर्ड होता है हमारे क्या ट्रेड को पॉसिबल करने के लिए. सो नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज, नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज रिलेटेड फ्रॉम द टर्म्स ऑफ ट्रेड. ट्रेड के टर्म्स क्या हैं? ओके, सो लिसन. फर्स्ट टर्म इज बेस्ड ऑन द COD, कैश ऑन डिलीवरी. कैश ऑन डिलीवरी, that is a form relates on the COD. Okay, listen, as you know about it, maximum student has also know about the COD. When you have purchased the goods, maximum time, occasionally time through the online. So after that type of the thing, when the goods has been delivered at your home, at your delivery place, so at that time you will pay the amount to that type of the deliver person. So that is called COD, any cash on delivery. So here you can write it is a type of transaction. It is a type of transaction in which payment for a product, payment for a product is made at the time of delivery. As like you know about the situation, in the current scenario इस समय तो नहीं है, but before the COVID-19, the facilities has been also provided by the different types of the sites, as like relates on the Zomato, relates on the grocery items. So there are the different types of the companies, there are the different types of the sites that has been provided the facilities relates on the कैश ऑन डिलीवरी. जोमेटो पहले आपको क्या फैसिलिटी प्रोवाइड कराता था कोविड-19 के पहले. अब कोविड-19 के कारण इस समय कुछ रुका हुआ है. COD की फैसिलिटीज दैट हैज बीन नॉट प्रोवाइडेड, बट कैश ऑन डिलीवरी दैट हैज बीन आल्सो प्रोवाइडेड ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ द such type of the retailers. Okay, so here there are the first point in this, there is one point, if the purchaser does not make payment. COD की फैसिलिटीज देखिए क्यों मिलती है, ध्यान दीजिएगा. if the purchaser does not make payment when the product is delivered, ये फैसिलिटीज क्या है? यानी अगर आपने COD की फैसिलिटीज ली है, बट दैट टाइप ऑफ द गुड्स दैट हैज नॉट बीन रिलेटेड फ्रॉम द पेमेंट, मींस एट द टाइम ऑफ द डिलीवरी इफ द पेमेंट हैज नॉट बीन मेड बाय द customers, made by the consumers, then when the product is delivered, then the product is returned to the seller. वो प्रोडक्ट क्या होता है? सेलर को वापस चला जाता है. ओके, दैट इज द फर्स्ट बेनिफिट, दैट इज इन द पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू ऑफ द कस्टमर्स. पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू किसका? कस्टमर के लिए बेनिफिशियल है. प्रोडक्ट क्या हुआ, पेमेंट नहीं हुई तो वापस चला गया. हाँ, कस्टमर के पास, सेलर के पास वापस आ गया, बट देयर इज वन लॉस, द सेलर हैज ऑल्सो पेड सम एक्सपेंसेस रिलेटेड फ्रॉम द डिलीवरी. ओके, सो इट इज द हार्मफुल फॉर द सेलर, बट इट इज बेनिफिशियल इन द पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू ऑफ द परचेजर ऑल्सो. ओके, इट इज, हाँ ये है, सेलर को इसमें प्रोडक्ट वापस मिल जाता है, ये बेनिफिट है खाली. इट इज अ standard method of payment. It is a standard method of payment for ordering products and services which are produced quickly and are near the point of delivery, इट मीन्स ये फैसिलिटीज़ क्या उनके लिए बेनिफिशियल है जो क्या स्टैंडर्ड मेथड से पेमेंट लेना चाहते हैं और जो क्या डिलीवरी पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से क्या नियरेस्ट है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल हियर आई वॉन्ट टू राइट द एग्जाम्पल. फॉर एग्जाम्पल it is a particular common with the ordering of food, grocery items. So here you can write it is particularly common with the ordering of food as like you know about that as like pizza, okay, pizza delivery services, or now you know about the services that has been related from the Zomato also, okay, या आगे आप लिख लीजिए grocery items etc. okay, so these are the benefits, these are the things that is necessary at the time of the COD. अगर आप पेमेंट नहीं करते हैं so the seller, the delivered boy, the delivered person will, delivery boy or delivery person will return that type of the goods and transfer to seller. Okay, so these are the relates on the terms of conditions of COD, cash on delivery. Okay, now students, second point relates on the terms of credits. Free on board. Free on board, in the short form you can tell about that FOB, or that is called free on rail. In the short form you can tell it FOR. Okay, so look here, it is a contract between the buyer and seller of goods, buyer and seller of goods, in which all the expenses up to the point of delivery to a carrier, okay, are to be borne by the seller, okay, that is the free on board delivery. It means all the expenses that is related from the delivery charges that has been paid by the seller. So there are the 2 points also. The FOB, free on board, price quoted by कंसाइनर इंक्लूड्स, यानी जो भी हमारा गुड्स जा रहा है उसे क्या कंसाइनर से, यानी जिसने ऑर्डर दिया है, इंक्लूड ऑल चार्जेस अप टू द पॉइंट ऑफ डिलीवरी. इट मीन्स चार्जेस क्या होते हैं, पहले ही चार्ज कर लिए जाते हैं पॉइंट ऑफ डिलीवरी फ्रॉम दैट कंज्यूमर. ओके, सेकेंड पॉइंट, the ownership or title in the goods, passes from the seller to the buyer upon delivery. Clear, students? So these are the 2 terms of trade that I have taught to you today. In the next class I will continue it from the third terms trade. Okay, that will be cost, insurance and freight. In the short form you can tell about that CIF. Okay, so आज की क्लास में इतना ही. Okay students.